See, this is the circuit diagram to determine the resistivity of 2 or 3 wire by plotting a graph for potential difference versus current. So, circuit diagram is there. This is the battery, positive terminal of the battery connected to positive of the milliammeter, negative terminal connected to positive of the millivoltmeter. Negative terminal is connected to the one end of the rheostat, other end connected to the key, other end of the key connected to the negative terminal of battery. So this is the, and this is a resistance wire whose resistance is to be determined. And here the error in ammeter that I have taken it, that is 70 milliampere, error in voltmeter 20 millivolt. So serial number, ammeter reading, take the observation table. Ammeter reading with error, milliampere value, that value is current, and this is voltmeter reading with error in millivolt. This will give the value of volt potential difference. So first reading is coming 100 and error is 70. So 100 minus 70, 70 error I have to subtract. So that value will be 30. In second observation, when the slide the rheostat and shift the reading on 130 milliampere, then error subtract it again 70, that will be 60, and again slide the value 160 minus 70, that is 90, and note down the corresponding value of voltmeter, that is 30 and error is 20, so 30 minus 20, 10, then again 40 minus 20, 20, then 50 minus 20, 30. So this is the reading of voltmeter and this is the reading of ammeter. Now V and this is I. Divide these two, you will get the resistance. 10 divided by 30, 0.3. 20 divided by 60, 0.3. 30 divided by 90, 0.3. And after then, this is the resistance. But you have to find out the resistivity of this wire. To find the resistivity, you know the formula for resistivity, rho equal to RA by L. R is the resistance. That resistance you got it 0.3. But A, area cross section of the wire, you are not knowing. L, length of the wire. Length of the wire, this is the wire. So length of the wire you can measure with the help of this scale according to the length that you connected to the voltmeter. And whenever you connect to the voltmeter, that length is, suppose this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, or 4 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Now to find the diameter of this wire, how to find the diameter of the wire? With the help of a screw gauge that you study in class 11. Determine the diameter of a given wire through a screw gauge. So least count of the screw gauge is least count equal to pitch by total circular scale division. So pitch is 1 mm by total CSR, circular scale reading 100. So 1 by 100, 0.01 mm. This is the least count. This is the 0.01 mm least count. And linear scale, LSR linear scale reading, CSR circular scale reading, LC least count. Now you place the wire in between the two gap and rotate the linear scale. Rotate the linear scale and see the reference line. That reference line here represent on 30. So here circular scale is 30, linear scale is not visible, so that is 0. So linear scale is 0. First observation. Then 30 into 0.01, 0.3. That value is giving for first reading. Second reading, you change the position of this wire, another position, and find out again value. That value is coming approx 29. So that is 29 into least count 0.01. So this is 0.29. And in third case, again find this value in different position, 3 observation, that is coming 31. So this value is 31. then multiply by this one 0.31 and take the mean of these three. So 0.3 mm is the mean diameter, and then radius will be d upon 2, so that will be 0.3 by 2, 0.15 millimeter. That is 0.15 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Now find the area cross section of this wire. A equal to pi r square, pi 0.3.14, and radius value is giving 0.15 into 10 power minus 3 whole square. This is the whole square. Put the value here. This is whole square. This is whole square. And solve it. You will get this value 0.7065 into 10 power minus 6 meter square. Now calculation of resistivity of the wire. Use the formula R equal to rho equal to R A by L. So resistance is given 0.3 here, 0.3, and area cross section you are getting 0.706 into 10 power minus 6 divided by L, or into 10 power minus 2. Now you solve it, you will get this value 52 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. Now you check the data result from the data given in the book, for which conductor or which alloy the resistivity is this one. So if you take the data from this book that is provided in all books, different conductor having different resistivity. So this compare this data, you will find out this data 52 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. This is for a Constantan wire. This Constantan wire is generally used in laboratory. So this is a Constantan wire whose resistivity is to be determined with the help of Ohm's law experiment. And if you plot the graph from this observation, you know Ohm's law, if you plot the graph between V and I, so this graph will be a straight line. So resistance you will get it from this graph also by finding the slope O, A, B. So slope OA equal to resistance. Slope is perpendicular by base, AB by OB. So this is V by I. V by I is the resistance. So with the help of graph you are getting the resistance 0.3 ohm. Thank you.